My little adventurers are super into biking lately. They have even talked me into it. After doing a few day trips, they decided that they really wanted to do something bigger. A friend of mine suggested the Katy Trail in Missouri. It's a 240-mile lateral park stretching across the state of Missouri from St. Louis almost to Kansas City. You can see it on this map in pink. Sounded like a great idea to us, so we did a little research, reserved a couple of campsites, loaded up our little camp trailer and bikes, and headed to Missouri. We didn't get to leave on time because there are 7 of us trying to get ready for a 5-day trip. Even so, we got to camp in plenty of time to set up. The kids got to learn how to work together to set up our secondhand tent, notice the helmets with anticipation of the ride in the morning. The next morning, the older 3 kids and I set out of Clinton, Missouri. We packed lunches and ate on the trail. The first day, the kids and I did 23 miles. We were all so proud of ourselves. The second morning, we had to tear down camp and switch campgrounds before we could get on the trail. Even so, the second day, we did 27 miles.
All right, we should go fast. All right, speed up.
Same kind as the last one. Are you ready? All right, bud, keep going. I know it doesn't look like it, but I try really hard to keep our site tidy. But with 7 people, 6 bicycles, and gear for 5 days, it always looks like we're having a yard sale.
What did you think of the trail?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay.
He actually hasn't done the trail yet, so he's actually doing it today. That's good, because we gotta eat big sandwiches.
I liked it because we got a bike. Yeah. I do like the trail.
This is some dirty fighting.
This is... what day is it? Sunday. So... Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So, this is our 3rd morning. Hold on, I need more coffee. I'm reusing my McDonald's cup from yesterday because I didn't pack myself a cup for coffee. I didn't pack my husband one either. He's drinking out of an old mason jar that we found in the car. Quality. All right, little Duchess, what's your favorite part of today?
Getting the bike to Katy Trail.
General, tell me about it. What's your favorite part of the trip so far today?
I don't know. This right now, tractor.
Like the tractor. Okay, today the esteemed Batman has joined us. Batman, how you feel about it so far?
My black hurts.
Your bottom hurts. Okay. Edison. All right.
Got his earbuds in.
Oh, he's got his earbuds in. I'm sure. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
I don't know what to say. So far, I'm having a good time today. This is pretty cool. Caution, falling rock. Do not stop on the next 0.25 miles of trail. Falling rock. We're totally gonna stop and take a picture anyway. Now before you get all down and discouraged like this trip is out of reach for you, it's not. Trust me. The kids and I are all riding hand-me-down bikes. Some of them are box store brands, some of them are nicer brands, but they're all secondhand. The kids are sleeping in a tent with a pretty significant hole in it. I taped it up, and so far the tape is holding. My man and I are using a homemade trailer. The whole trip cost us about $300. That's gas and fees for campgrounds. I don't count food because I would have to buy food if I was at home or if I was camping. So that doesn't count. We did train for the trip, but mostly that just looked like we would go on biking picnics or ride to the park and do math. They didn't really know they were training. So believe me when I tell you, this is something you can do too. Thanks for watching. Why are we stopping? Ow! That hurt.